Welcome back to the shop. On today's build, we're gonna build a knife out of an old chainsaw chain that I got from a friend. Before we start the video, make sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed and like for the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see, not every single knife is a success. As hard as I tried it, I could not get this chain to weld together. And I tried to put a piece of steel at the end. I believe it was a leftover piece of 52-100 if I'm not mistaken. But I tried to put that at the end to use for a hardenable edge, but it wouldn't stick. But that's just how it is sometimes. The knives don't always come out exactly how I wanted, and believe it or not, more than often I fail, and I had to do a knife multiple times. And so this was an old chain that I got from a friend and that I wanted to try out, see if it worked. It didn't work. Maybe I just didn't clean it correctly. I'm not sure. But that's not gonna stop us. We're gonna try again, and I'm gonna get a new chain this time, and we're gonna use a brand new chain and see if we get a better result. Thanks for watching, and be sure to go down below and comment what you think went wrong with this build, because I'm not sure. But we're gonna try something different. We're gonna make it work. Be sure to like and subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.